So now you're onto your final design, and this is about really starting to refine those ideas that you've got. Start to think about who you are as a designer. Are you more commercial and ready to wear, or is your product about more experimental and futuristic? Make those decisions and let that inform that final design. At this point, you don't want to put all of those ideas you have. You want to start to select and make sure that your design makes a lot more sense. You really want to think about what your product and the situation that it exists in. It can be something that's conceptual and exists in a gallery space, or it can be something that's made for someone's home. Also think, could it exist in the environment it comes from? Could it, exist in the forest or your garden? Really start to expand what the applications of your product and inspiration could be. And as well, think about the life cycle. This design is about circularity, it's about nature. And so think about what materials that you're using, what processes you're using, and could it have a second use at the end of its life? Could it actually feed back into the soil and provide benefit again because of the materials that you've chosen? Don't forget that wool is the hero material. Really think about what the benefits are from using wool. For example, in oceans, microplastic is polluting those waterways, and think about the fact that wool won't have this negative impact. So start to look at some of those benefits and properties and technical aspects of the fibre and fabric itself. Wool is a natural biodegradable material, and really emphasise that through your design. In this final section, you really want to think about how you're going to present your final product. You don't have to do technical drawings, but what you should do is include details of different processes, the material choices, and all the different compositions that you've created. You can use sketches if you're strong at drawing and you enjoy that, but you can also use collage or on the computer. So really think about what your strengths are and how you can communicate your product in the best way. Remember, there's no right way, it's the best way to demonstrate your ideas. So be experimental and try to see what works best to show your design with all of its features and all of the components that are involved.